This video will show you how to control your local camera and the far-end camera. To move your camera while in a call, press the menu button on the remote control. Select Cameras, then Your Cameras. To pan left or right or tilt the camera up or down, use the touchpad on the remote control. You can zoom in or out by using the zoom buttons on the remote control. During a call, the preset feature is useful to quickly move your camera to focus on a specific area of the room. You can go to a stored preset by pressing a number on the remote control. In this example, preset number 1 is pointing to the whiteboard. You can view all recorded presets under Menu, Cameras, Presets. You can save a preset by holding down a number on the remote control. A thumbnail image will be stored of that camera location. In some conferences, you may have the need to control the far-end camera. To do so, click the menu button on the remote control. Select Cameras, then Their Cameras. You are now able to use your remote to control their camera. Enjoy your meeting.